Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the last 24 hours. Today's Crypto Climate episode is all about Bitcoin's crashing, man. Bitcoin is crashing. Man, we got to look into that. What's going on? Why? Just analyze the charts, the TA. You guys already know. But before we do so, make sure you guys like the video if you appreciate this type of content. Also, make sure you guys press the subscribe button here and the notification bell, just to for you guys to be on point. Every video that we release, you guys can have exclusive access to that, so I would greatly appreciate it. Moving on to the crypto fear and index. All right, let's check it out. Currently at around 20. Yesterday was around 21. Again, we still have extreme fear, extreme panic in the markets. Again, Bitcoin has been crashing as of late, so we're gonna look into that in 2 hours and 2.5 hours we're gonna get that update. So just stay tuned. The fear and greed index, a lot of fear in the markets. The chart down here, if we check it out for the year, again, we're still in that downtrend as of late. That key support of 20, actually, wow, look at that, guys. 20 is that support. If that breaks down, then we should expect for the downside for Bitcoin as well with regards to the market sentiment. Guys, as we discussed earlier in our previous crypto charts shorts episode that we uploaded this morning, man, look at that candle, bro. Sometimes, man, Bitcoin, look at all that volatility in less than 24 hours. That's a $1,500 candle, guys. Insanity. Insane. Look at that sell wick. We broke above this clear resistance of $19,550, and then we also broke up above for a tiny bit above that $20,400 level. And then, that clear resistance there all the way back down to this same range, all in one day. Insane, man. I love this, man. I love Bitcoin. I love the volatility. I love these markets. Good times to be alive, guys. So, yeah, we continue. The resistance stays the same. The support continues to be 18,800-ish, around there. So, again, for the next couple of days, just stay tuned to see what Bitcoin's going to, decide to do. And for this particular candle, it closes by the, at the end of the day today, tonight. So, let's just watch this candle closely to see what Bitcoin's going to decide to do. Guys, on a weekly note, we continue to be below the 200-week moving average. That's extremely bearish. Look at this sell wick. Wow, on the weekly. Look at that. I mean, candle still green, hasn't closed. It'll close, on Sunday, so it still has a couple of days. But man, look at that sell wick right there. We're still above, again, that $18,650 level on the weekly. That'll be a key level. But honestly, if they ask me, things are not looking nice. Look at that. We have 1, 2, and this could be a possible third consecutive red candle for the week. So, for the past couple of weeks, Bitcoin's price has been crashing down. It hasn't been easy at all. So, with that price going down, the dominance has actually been going up, recently, for the past couple of weeks, more like sideways for the last week or two. But, we do see this massive sell wick here with regards to the Bitcoin dominance. So that's not good at all. So altcoins have remained stronger or have gone down less than Bitcoin, recently. But we're still above that key 40.69%, so that's very important. And we're just ranging here. We have to, see which percentage of either the resistance or the support is going to give in the next couple of days. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed. So again, the star of the show, the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index, USD, just taking over the markets. A lot of panic, in the world due to, the Fed rising interest rates, the war, the macro economy, the recession, all these different things going on. That we're going to have a video, this week explaining, educating people, about those terms and what does it truly mean. But, the USD is just gaining strength, and it's been doing so. We've been, talking about this for the past couple of months where, we're still above this key blue trend line here. The uptrend continues to be strong. The parabolic advance, if you zoom out a little bit, look at that. You can even draw it. Just just going up like this. You know what I'm saying? Our target is 120.88 on that dollar index. So again, we have to wait and see, but again, there's always key support and resistance levels. Right now, current resistance is 114.51 on the index, on the Dixie. We're currently right below it, but for now we have a lot of strength. We're a little bit overbought here on the stochastic RSI and the RSI as well. So we have to wait and see, if it's going to have enough juice to break above that and heads, towards 120, or if it's going to, maybe relax a little bit, create a base going sideways, or even touch previous resistance, confirming that support before continuing on in the next couple of months or two for the rest of the year. So the dollar's strong. We can't fight the trend. The trend is your friend until the end. So right now it's a good time to be in a dollar position, USD position. Again, this is not official financial advice, but the charts, that's what they're saying. So we'll definitely keep monitoring this in the future. So again, with regards to actual price action, number one, Bitcoin BTC at around 19,000 a pop, down 0.56%. Number two, Ethereum at around $1,321, down 0.05%. Number three, BNB currently at around $271, down 1.02%. Number four, XRP, the scam, currently at around 0.44 cents, down 5.18%. And then number five, Cardano at around, same as XRP, 44 cents, down 0.92%. Then the top 5 best performing assets within the last 24 hours. Let's start with Quantify Your Life, currently at around $135, up 13.41%. Number 2, Reserve Rights, man. Under a penny, that's where we're at right now, up 9.65%. Number 3 in the list, Move to Earn Coin, shout out to Steppen, GMT, currently at around 68 cents, up 7.83%. Number 4, Uniswap, the unicorn coin, it's currently at around $6.29, it's up 6.76%. And then Neo, the OG, currently at $8.79, up 5.30%. Then we move on to the top 5 worst performing assets during the last 24 hours. We start immediately with the scam, Terra Classic. That price is just too cheap, guys. Scams are cheap. Use it. Down 8.87%. Number 2, Algorand, currently at around 0.34 cents, down 6.53%. Then we have the scam, down 5.32%. Then number 4, we have Cosmos Atom, the universe coin, currently at around $13.34, down 4.27%. And then we have another scam, Bitcoin SV, man, currently at around $50 a pop, down 3.93% in the last 24 hours. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, again, like the video, make sure you guys sub if you haven't done so already. In the link description, down below, you'll find in the description down below, you'll find a link to our website where you can, have access to our other social networks, great content on there, access to cryptocurrency exchanges, just any investment tools and resources that you might need. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you guys have a good one.